Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about thymosin beta-4. Thymosin is the hormone secreted from thymus gland. The main function of thymosin is to stimulate the production of T cell, which is very important for healthy immune system. TB4 or thymosin beta-4 aids in creation of new blood vessel to any injured area, which help carry blood, nutrients and other substance needed for healing. Thus, this accelerates the healing process. TB4 also plays key role in lowering inflammation by lowering the inflammatory substance called cytokines. TB4 may accelerate the healing process, soft tissue repair, and hair regrowth. Overall, it helps you boost the immunity by improving the T cell function. The benefits of thymosin beta-4. It may improve tissue repair, reduces the inflammation of the tissue in joint, repairs soft tissue, tendon and ligament. It may encourage growth of new blood cell in the tissue, may improve heart health by tissue repair and reducing the infarct size, improves muscle tone and calms muscle spasm. It improves exchange of substance between the cells, thus improving the cell-to-cell communication for overall health and improve hair regrowth. If you are somebody suffering from a lot of tissue injury, it may be from chronic injury or any sports related injury, this peptide may benefit you. And subscribe for more videos.